Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and review of the Full Circle Scrub Queen. This is going to be a toilet brush that you can currently get on Amazon for $35 for this set. It's going to encompass the brush head, which is replaceable, a holder, and then inside the bottom is actually going to be a diatomaceous earth disc that'll actually absorb any water and fluid on the bottom of this container. I recently purchased this because I needed a new brush. Previously I used like the Clorox like plastic brush, and I decided, looking on Amazon, I'd go with this. This setup is $35, the brush head replacement is $10, and then the diatomaceous earth at the bottom is $11 when you replace it. But what we'll do is we'll go over the packaging real quick. So what it says is Full Circle Scrub Queen. It's a replaceable toilet brush. It has a replaceable head with mohawk design, cleans hard to reach places. So I'll show you what that looks like. It tucks neatly into the ceramic holder with non-slip, non-scratch base, which is this here. So it's like a ceramic that's smooth on the top, and then on the bottom it's a little bit sturdier from that standpoint. And then there's a dry earth disc that absorbs water, preventing mold and bacteria on the base of this. It's certified recycled plastic, diatomaceous earth, recycled aluminum, bamboo, ceramic, and it's plastic-free packaging. And then on the back here, it just emphasizes that it's good for the environment, that it really, it uses recycled aluminum, and the benefit of this is it avoids like plastic waste and things like that. So we'll open this up, show you what the actual brush looks like, and show you the disc and the base. But this is what it looks like when you actually put it down. So it's pretty sturdy. It's definitely a ceramic case. Inside here is going to be just basically a white ceramic, black on the bottom. There's actually a silicone disc here that is non-slip, so it prevents it from sliding, which is a nice feature. And then this is the diatomaceous earth disc, and so it's in this cardboard. And this is what it looks like. So it says Dry Earth by Full Circle. It's basically very similar to the, if you've watched my other content, the dish mats or the bath mats that are diatomaceous earth. Those are basically a similar construction. So this absorbs a ton of water because it's porous. And so looking at it right now, if I take it and just soak it up with water, it basically absorbs all the water immediately, and then it dries off with time. And the key feature is allowing this to dry in between the times it gets wet, and then it really doesn't grow mold or anything like that. And the nice feature of this is it's readily replaceable. So if you once it kind of gets gross or anything like that, you can just buy a new one. But this disc goes on the bottom here. Just sits on the bottom of the container, and then this is actually the brush head. So there's going to be a bamboo top here that says Full Circle. The one complaint I have is it did come with plastic wrapped around the top. There's some sticky residue on the top here that I do have to clean with alcohol or something like that, but that's on the top there. So there's a bamboo handle, no issues. And then this is basically recycled aluminum at the base here. So all the part that goes into the toilet is aluminum, which will prevent it from kind of getting gross and disgusting, and it's not porous like bamboo would be. And then this is the brush head. This is the discussion of the mohawk design. So it's got this brushes on the inside here that can get underneath the lip of the toilet seat, and then the rest is brushes. And this is replaceable for $10. All you have to do is just press this and it comes right out. So you can reuse the handle and then just replace the brush head whenever you need to. But that's really all it is for this. It is a little bit pricier at $35, but if you look at the reviews, they're phenomenal reviews. Everybody really recommends it. I like the fact that it's bamboo aluminum construction. It looks great from that standpoint. The white's nice, the ceramic's nice, and the diatomaceous earth is nice as well, because that prevents mold, bacteria, that sort of thing, which is the main concern with using this. But if you're interested in purchasing it, check out the links below. And if you have questions, comments, post them below. But thanks for watching and have a great day.